Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Target cells. Target cells mainly have a central area of hemoglobinization is seen in target cells. That means this is a cell, but at the center there is an area of hemoglobin is seen, and this central area of hemoglobinization is called as target cells. So these target cells are seen in liver disease, post splenectomy, that is after spleen removal. We can see these target cells, thalassemia and hemoglobin C disease. Here we can see the target cells.
thank you and thank you for watching.